Are you ready to manifest your big financial goals and desires? Welcome to the Become a Modern Day Alchemist YouTube course. This is a free course. You will learn how to use the ancient alchemist principles and the techniques to manifest money and riches into your lives. I'm Dreyer, and I'll be your mentor throughout this course. Today's lesson is critical because we'll teach you how to utilize the power of creative visualization and self-hypnosis to manifest any financial outcomes that you desire. In previous lessons, we've talked about the nature of the conscious and the subconscious mind. And now it's time to use that knowledge and to achieve very specific goals. Now, remember, to achieve your big desires, you must be specific. This technique we're about to teach you allows you to directly reprogram your subconscious mind with a specific seed of your desire. But the way that we're going to do it is through your conscious mind. So whether you want to sell your house for $1 million, or maybe you need $1 million to start a new business, you can manifest your desires with this technique that I'm going to share with you now. The key to success with this technique is to be very, very specific. It's crucial to know what you want to be able to get what you want. If you haven't done the homework of getting specific with your desire yet, please do that first and do not continue with this, because otherwise you're going to waste your time. Specific things work better from my personal experience and the experience of the students that I've mentored over the last 21 years. This technique also helps you to reprogram your limiting beliefs that may be holding you back from the life of abundance. You know, that life of freedom where you can do what you want, when you want, where you want, how you want, with whom you want, without worrying about money. So spend time analyzing your limiting beliefs and either get them to work for you, as we discussed in previous lessons, or replace them with beliefs that work for you. And this, of course, we do consciously. So here are the steps that you need to follow to use this technique of self-hypnosis and creative visualization. First of all, find a quiet place where you won't be disturbed for about 15 to 20 minutes. Get into a very comfortable position, like a chair, a bed, or a couch, and close your eyes. And then what I want you to do is simply to daydream. Daydream about the specific desires you've chosen, like double your income, say for example, from 30,000 to 60,000. Now, these principles apply anywhere in the world. So it can be here in South Africa, 30,000 Rand to 60,000 Rand, or it can be dollars from 30,000 to $60,000, or 30,000 to 60,000 pounds. I hope that you get what I'm giving you. Then create a scene of having already accomplished your goal, and I want you to visualizing a very specific scene that implies your desire has already manifested. But here's the trick. About 4 months ago. So it's not at the moment when you say, okay, now I've doubled my income. It's about 4 months after you started doubling it. So it becomes part of you. For example, you could imagine a conversation with, let's say, a coworker about your promotion and your salary increase. That is what you got like 4 months ago. And then what I want you to do is to spend 15 minutes literally daydreaming about the scene. So your task for today is very easy. All you do is you follow the steps outlined in this lesson and use this technique for manifesting your big desires. And remember, the only way to fail is if you do not follow these steps closely. So thank you once again for watching this lesson. If you found it helpful, please consider liking, sharing, and commenting on this video. Now, we've got another exciting lesson lined up for you, where we'll dive deeper into another powerful wealth manifestation technique. And then remember that your beliefs, your qualities, and your skills are the keys to unlocking your full potential. By focusing on developing your beliefs, qualities, and skills, it will help you to tap into your full potential, achieve greater success, and create more opportunities for wealth creation. By continuously developing these areas, you can improve your personal and professional lives contribute to the economy, and make a very positive impact on the world. So thank you for spending your time with us, and we're looking forward to seeing you in the next class.